The law of attraction is the last and 12th universal law video in a 12-part video series on the 12 universal laws of the 12 spiritual laws of the universe. If you missed the first 11 videos about the other universal laws, then go to my channel Carolina Sherman and there will be a playlist where all these 12 laws and videos will appear. The law of attraction is the most popular law and known by many. A lot of law of attraction coaches and teachers use the other universal laws as well when they are teaching about the law of attraction. All the universal laws work together, and when we dive deep into each one of them, we really get this bigger understanding of how the universe works. And I've kept this video about the law of attraction as the last video in this 12-part video series because I've created videos on this topic before. I have a whole playlist with videos around the law of attraction on my YouTube channel as well. In my business, I help people and entrepreneurs just like you to apply the universal laws to your business and the law of attraction in particular to attract the success that you desire. We do this in an online program called Business in Alignment. For more info, you can visit my website, carolinasherman.com. But first of all, and most of all, a big welcome to my channel. I'm Carolina Sherman and I'm a business mindset coach who helps entrepreneurs just like you to apply the universal laws into your business to speed process your growth by doing the internal work first. So the law of attraction. This states that like attracts like. And in the video on the law of vibration, we already discovered that everything in this universe is energy. You and me, we are energy. The table here is energy. The chair here is energy. The camera is energy. The plants and the soil is energy. And also things that we can't see is energy, like electricity or Wi-Fi or radio waves. That's all energy in our universe, traveling at a specific speed. And so just like these Wi-Fi and radio waves that we can't see at first sight, also our thoughts and emotions are energy. Energy at a specific frequency and vibration. This is how we as human beings can shift our vibration with our thoughts and emotion. And now the law of attraction states that matching energy frequencies attract each other. So when you are vibrating in a high positive vibration, you will attract more thoughts and emotion that match that high positive vibration. And even more and more, it keeps on attracting. The law of attraction is always at work. It never stops. We also attract people that match our vibration, and we attract situations and circumstances and material stuff like money and cars or tickets in our reality. You've probably noticed this attraction process before when you are thinking dooming thoughts or you are focused on a bad situation. Then it seems as if you can't stop thinking about this. How hard you try to think different thoughts, those thoughts keep on coming back. Because the attraction process is so big at that moment. I've made a video about this before, about the 17-second rule. It takes about 17 seconds to focus on a subject in your mind before another thought accompanies that first thought. And 70 seconds further, some more and some more and some more, and suddenly you are in this big thought cloud that is only growing and growing and growing. And that's why it's so difficult sometimes to switch the subject or to shift over to more positive thoughts. So you've all experienced this law of attraction at work already. And just like your thoughts, it also works the same with people and situations and material stuff. You attract all of them that are in the same vibrational frequency as you are. When you are in a vibrational match, then you attract each other. Like right now, this video and you must have been in vibrational match. That's why we are encountering each other right now. So this means as well that you can't reach or match or meet up with things that are out of your vibrational reach. So when you want a lot of money or a lot of customers, but you're constantly focusing on the reality of what is, on the lack of money and the lack of customers, then you will be emitting a totally different vibration of what you actually want. So you're not matching up. The abundance of customers and money is a high vibration and has a totally different frequency than the not having of customers. So here is where the law of attraction gets tricky. How on earth's name can I focus on the abundance when in my reality I'm constantly confronted with the scarcity? And this is what you need to master. Shift your mindset to one where you feel the abundance already now, regardless of your circumstances. When you take the law of relativity in mind here, that can help as well. We discussed the law in a previous video, and it's never about fooling yourself or tricking yourself or living a lie, but it's about really, sincerely feeling the abundance and happiness already now and enjoying life already now just as it is. And then you become a magnet for more of it, because then you are in the same vibration and the same frequency of what you want. And the basic principles about the law of attractions are easy, but in reality, when you want to put it to practice, there are a lot of nitty-gritty details where you can get stuck. When it comes to guilt and shame and limiting beliefs and unworthiness and rules of society and much more. So that's the reason why I've created a whole online program where I help entrepreneurs just like you. So now that we've went through all these 12 universal laws in these 12-part video series to get a clearer understanding of how everything in this universe works and operates around here, which one was the most eye-opening for you? They all work together and they are all constantly at work. So they are all as important to understand and apply. Which one is the most compelling for you? And would you love more guidance on? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm very curious. And if you found this video helpful or inspirational at all, please leave a comment, like this video, give a thumbs up, share the video. It helps to spread this message so you can have an immediate impact on other people's lives as well by the small act of liking or sharing this video. And if you would like to stay updated on my new videos, then subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button to receive a notification when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, keep watching, and see you in the next video.